Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 3K solar powered wireless security camera. It works with Alexa in Google Home. This doesn't need any cable because it has solar panel at the top. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have. When we check the features, year-round unlimited battery life, quick Wi-Fi setup, motion activated floodlight, full color day and night vision, powerful built-in siren, weather resistant design. You can live view and video recording, Ultra HD video, and real-time notification, two-way audio talk. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. Here we have the camera. The quality is awesome. We have the speaker left side. Here we have power button and reset button and SD card place. The good thing is you can take this out and put it somewhere else. Right over here, lock and unlock. There is only one screw right there. You can take it out. And if you want to unlock it, you're just gonna pull it. And you can put it wherever you want. Here is the USB-C area. You can just take it out and use the extension cable and put it anywhere you want if there is no solar. Here is the user manual with stickers, 24/7 monitor, and here we have all the items we need. This is for the solar panel, screw pack. This is the base for the camera. Here we have the extension cable, and this is charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and this one is USB-C to USB-C. Here we have the screw pack for the camera. Let's go ahead and add the camera and show you the features. Then we're gonna install the camera outside and show it to you. When we check the sun, it's just about to be evening, but right now it is still charging right there. I'm just gonna put it over here for testing purposes. And just push it. Now it's good. We can go ahead and turn it on.
Hello.
Now it's on. Let's check it out from here. I'm gonna add the camera to the application and then continue. I'm gonna go ahead and add the device and come back. Now it's just found it by itself.
Settings successfully.
And registered, connected successfully. This is gonna be backyard. Done. Here we have, this is the application. Let's check it out. Since this is the first time, it's gonna take a little bit. And now we're online. There is alarm. The alarm is a little bit loud. And here we have reply.
Please put the package at the door. Thank you.
And since this is the backyard, I'm just gonna use.
Get out of here now.
Alright, that's good. And this is Ultra HD and this is SD. You can take a picture and you can record a video. And also here is two-way audio talk. Hello? Hello? And you can even change your sound. Hello? Hey, who's there? You see? Okay, also you can hear the speaker from here or there. That's two-way audio talk. Let's check the light. We're gonna check the floodlight at night. And here we have all the things over here. And events. Now it's charging. It is 73%. And the Wi-Fi is awesome. Let's go to the settings. You can share the device with your loved ones. And light settings. Motion light. Brightness adjustment. We can just make it 100%. Manual lighting duration 3 minutes or 10 minutes, 1 minute. And you can also control it with Alexa or Google Home. Let's go back. And AI surveillance. There's human detection. You can turn it on. And intrusion. You can just turn this on and put the detections on. Let's check it out. And I can add a region right over here and save. Alarm method. I'm just gonna put right now enable auto alarm. I'm just gonna put only white light. Let's go over there and check it out. What's gonna happen?
Warning. You have entered a high-definition surveillance area.
Alright, it is working. And you can change the time all day or some time period. Intrusion prevention at yard wall. It's if you're climbing up the wall, it's just gonna warn you. Let's turn it on. And you can put the zone. Here is my backyard. Right here. Wherever you want. Okay. If anyone is trying to climb, it's gonna warn. Let's go ahead and save it. Alarm method, it's the same thing. My daughter is gonna go over there. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Warning. You have entered a high-definition surveillance area.
Come over here, under arrest. Thank you. It's working. And also there's pet detection. You can turn this on. And detection settings, detect all. Detection sensitivity, you can change it or automatic. There's night vision, black and white night vision, color night vision, turn off infrared light, cloud recording, video, audio, battery management, 72. Right now I'm using intelligent detection mode. And you can set it up Amazon or Google Alexa. You can set it up with Amazon or Google Home. I'm gonna show you during the night time and check it out. It's nighttime. And let's go ahead and check it out. Right now it is very dark around here, but now it is night vision. Let's check it out. The flight light is on as soon as I enter over here. This is Ultra HD and this is SD. Let's check the difference between them. Ultra HD. Now you can see the difference. And this is SD. Let's check it out. Camera is right there. And I'm right here. And the night vision is activated. You can also use this as a floodlight camera. Whenever it sees me, light is on. Whenever I'm not in the range of the camera, it's off. Let's check the light. Without light, it's dark. And the night vision is activated. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it has night vision and the design is awesome. You can put the solar panel wherever you want or on the top of the camera. And the light is, you see, very strong. It has night vision right there. Video quality is awesome. You can see, and this is Ultra HD. And it has so many security options. If someone is trying to climb your fence, it's just warning the person. And also it has great features. Let's check it out. Light settings, manual lighting duration, you can change that. And there is AI surveillance. When we check it out, we have all the things we need. Human detection, intrusion prevention at yard wall, and pet detection. And Amazon Alexa and Google Home. You can add other cameras also. And it is charging during the daytime. You can go back to the events, motion detected, and you can see more. It also has two-way audio talk, and you can change your voice. And there is reply if there is someone coming in front of your house, definitely suggest this product. You see, there is no distortion, there is no problem. It works very smoothly.